questions about yourselves. If you don't know how to say something in English, you can ask me in Chinese. I might know. I speak Chinese. But we're only going to speak English here if possible. Alright? So let's start first with your name. So remember, just say my name is and tell me your name. Okay? Let's start over here.
My name is Nick.
Yep.
My name is Kate.
Okay.
My name is Sunny.
My name is Tina. My name is Wei. My name is Zhang Zhenyu. My name is Nina. My name is Queenie.
Alright. So let's start with a few questions. Very simple. First, how old are you? So you answer I am, and the number, years old. Okay, so let's start over here. How old are you? 20? Okay, so you say I am 20 years old.
20. I'm 20
Years old.
years old.
Okay.
I'm 20 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 20 years old. I'm 19 years old.
I'm 18 years old.
20 years old. I'm 19 years old.
Okay, next up is what is your major? Your major is what you're studying here. If you don't know how to say it in English, it's on your student ID card. The one you used to put in here, it's in there in English. Okay, right below the Chinese. So you just say my major is, and then you say what is it. If you don't know how to say it, let me know and I can help you with reading it. Okay, let's start here.
My major is information management.
Okay.
My major is information manager.
My major is information management.
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 My major is information management. My major is information management. My major is information management.
Information
Information
management.
management.
Okay.
My major is information
Management.
intelligence.
Management.
My name is information management.
Okay, my major is information management. Okay, all right, nice. Next up is what is your hometown? So hometown is where you are from. Okay, not where you live now, but where are you from? Maybe you are from Kaohsiung, or you're from Haidong, or you're from Yilan, or Hualien, or somewhere else that is not Taipei. So maybe you could say any of those if you are, or just Taipei or New Taipei City. Okay, start here.
My hometown is Taipei. My hometown is New Taipei.
gonna see year in university. So everybody starts here on year number 1, right? And then you finish on year number 4. In Chinese, you do this: year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. In English, we have names for each and one of them. So year number 1 means you're a freshman. Year number 2, you are a sophomore. Notice how this becomes like an F sound, sophomore. Yeah, and then year number 3, you are a junior. And year number 4, you are a senior. So freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. Okay, so I want to know which one you are. Alright, so I am whether it's freshman, a sophomore, junior, or senior. Okay?
I'm a freshman.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a freshman. I'm a freshman.
I am freshman.
Sophomore.
I'm a sophomore.
Alright. Okay. Okay, so here I want to know if you work and study or if you only study. Now, if you do work, I want to know what is it that you do. Maybe you work at 7-Eleven, you're a 7-Eleven clerk, or Family Mart, or you work at a restaurant or supermarket, I don't know, any of those, okay?
I always study.
Mm-hmm.
I always study.
Study.
I work and study.
Okay, what do you do for work? If you don't know how to say it in English, tell me in Chinese and I might be able to help. Again? Oh, hot pot. That's called hot pot. So you work at a hot pot restaurant. Okay, all right.
I always study.
I always study.
I work and study.
And what do you do?
Wait.
Uber Eats?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, nice.
I work and study.
And your work?
McDonald's.
McDonald's, okay.
I always study.
All right. Does everyone know what are hobbies? So the singular is hobby. Hobbies means it's more than one. So hobby or your hobbies are the things that you really like doing when you're not studying, when you're not working, okay, when you have free time, what you like doing. Okay, so I'm gonna write a few here. I want you to tell me at least 2 hobbies that you have. If they're not here, it's fine too, you can tell me. But I'm gonna write some here in case you can't think of anything or you don't know how to say them in English. chair. Okay, so we have quite a few here. We have reading, writing.